Hey guys, welcome to my channel. The name of this video is Cooking Collard Greens with Food for the Soul. I'm going to do a quick video. I cook really good greens, and I come from a big family, 9 girls, and everybody, when we used to have these big dinners, would be responsible for bringing a certain food, and it had to be a food that you can cook, and mine were greens. But I hope my sister's not watching this, because I never shared with them how I cook my greens. But I'm going to try to make this video really quick. Like today is Thanksgiving Eve, so greens, it's not hard, but it's a lot. So I do them like right now. I'm cooking my greens. So what I do, I showed you, I already went through the pot. Right there, I get, these are turkey wings. And I start with the turkey wings first. And I put them in water, and I use a little chicken broth because it's already salty, so you don't want to use the chicken broth for that. And then I put these collard greens, not the collard greens, I put the turkey wings into a pot, and you see I have it smothered, and then I let them cook probably for 4 hours until it gets really tender. After they tender, then I'm going to put more broth and water into that pot. And then these greens, you can see I already buy the greens already chopped. I don't do like long time ago where we get them and pick them and clean. No, they're already clean. And I rinse them, and I take all of those greens and put it into that broth. And you don't want to put a lot of salt because you don't want to make it too salty. And that's after 4 hours. And then you're going to put the top over it and let those greens simmer into all of that good stuff. And as you can see, I have a little butter there. Later on, you can put a little butter. You can put a little lemon. If it's you need a little salt, you put a little salt. But those greens will only cook for an hour and a half in all of that broth. And you taste them. And if it's tender, if that's the way you like it, then good, you go for it. Then as you can see, like, it's really busy. It's Thanksgiving, it's tomorrow. I have my little Jiffy. Your cornbread is so good. No, you just get Jiffy. 2 eggs, 2 boxes of Jiffy, and a cup of milk, maybe a little more than a cup. Pour it in there, make your cornbread. You got that. And then I do, my turkeys. I have these little Cornish hens, and so they're easy to cook. I'll cook them in the morning, and then you do the stuffing. When your turkey cooked for an hour, if you want to stuff that, your stuffing, and stuff it into those little Cornish hens, girl, and then your food is good. You got your cornbread. We got our greens. My son's coming over. He'll do the mashed potatoes. And I'm going to show you tomorrow how to make some sweet potato pies. I was hoping to do it today, but I'm kind of behind schedule. Anyway, love you guys. Thank you for listening. Subscribe, like, and send me your comments. Have a blessed Thanksgiving.